How to treat folliculitis on scalp naturally? Folliculitis is a bacterial or fungal infection of the hair follicles. It may exhibit at any part of the body that contains a hair growth. Most often, folliculitis is observed occurring on the scalp due to many reasons. The dense hair growth on scalp may lead to most conditions, usually through sweat or sebum, at the surface of the scalp to prevail, letting a suitable growth atmosphere for infections, bacteria or fungus. The major symptoms of folliculitis are painful pustules around the hair follicle, and usually brushing or touching the area results in swelling. Though the mild form of folliculitis heals on its own, however, in most cases, the condition may progress to worst cases. A daily dose of antibiotics such as clindamycin and cephalexin may help to treat the condition, but these have side effects leading to weak immunity and antibiotics resistance for the community. Therefore, it is necessary to look into natural preventive measures so that the condition does not show up at all or worsen in any case. In today's video, we will discuss about 8 simple home remedies to treat the scalp folliculitis at home. Number 1. Oranger oat, golden seal. The golden seal is a natural herb effective against the microbial infections caused by bacteria and fungus, especially yeast, as it is one leading cause of scalp folliculitis. The herb also helps relieve inflammation. The herb may be taken orally or applied to the affected area in a paste form made by mixing the golden seal powder in water. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic has its antibacterial properties through the active sulfur component called allicin. Allicin may help to enhance the immune system and fight the infection most effectively. Daily consumption of 3 garlic cloves is recommendable to treat folliculitis. Number 3. Essential oils. Essential oils possess several health benefits and help fight the infection through direct application or diluted in water onto the affected area. Tea tree oil, lavender oil, olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, and bergamot oil and thyme oils are the best options to treat folliculitis with. You may mix a few drops of these oils with water and apply to the affected area directly. You may apply a mixture of these oils onto the scalp on a daily basis for best results. Number 4. Yogurt and lemon. Yogurt and lemon make the best combination to treat the scalp folliculitis because lemon is antibacterial through its acidic properties and yogurt helps soothe the skin and provide a cooling effect that relieves inflammation. You may apply the mixture onto scalp on a daily basis for a few minutes and then rinse off with cold water. Do not use more than 1 lemon for a single application. Number 5. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to relieve the inflammation and fight off folliculitis through its natural antimicrobial and moisturizing effect. You may massage the aloe vera gel directly onto your scalp and leave for half an hour before rinsing off properly with water. Use this remedy on a daily basis for best results. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural strong antibiotic, especially against the staph bacteria that most often causes skin infections. It has an anti-inflammatory role in the treatment of folliculitis as it alleviates itching, pain, and swelling. You may apply the turmeric directly onto the affected area by making a paste of it in any of the essential oils, particularly olive oil or coconut oil. Leave for 2 hours and rinse off with water. Use this remedy daily or at least twice a week for good results. Number 7. Neem leaves. Neem is used in various medical preparations as it possesses several health benefits. Neem is a natural antibiotic, an effective antibacterial agent, and anti-inflammatory in action, making it the best option to treat folliculitis with. You may apply the neem leaves by converting them into a paste, grinding with water. This neem paste must be applied to the affected area for the half an hour and then rinse off properly with water. You may also make a paste of neem leaves with coconut oil. Use this remedy on a daily basis for achieving faster and best results. Number 8. Oregano oil. Being anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antimicrobial in action, the oregano oil is best suitable for scalp folliculitis treatment. The terpenes and carvacrol contents give oregano oil its strong antibacterial properties, while the natural antiseptic and fungicidal effects of the thymol are excellent to treat the folliculitis infection with. You may apply the oregano oil combining 5 drops of it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply the mixture directly onto the scalp and leave for a few hours before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy twice a week for best outcomes. Additional tips: you must maintain good hygienic practice, especially daily bath and hair wash in hot water. Do not use strong shampoos and soaps onto the affected area. Must take shower after a workout or sweating. Keep well hydrated to maintain a good immune, and never share your personal items with anyone like towels, blankets or washcloths etc.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.